Bora lá, né? Deixar as provas na mesa. Todo no quadro.
Makes me wonder. Well, well, well. Uh-huh.
Olha! Mas o quê?
It was a day like any other. Until her. The woman. That woman.
That woman.
She waltzed into my office like she owned the place. Didn't have to say a word. I saw her voice the moment she walked through the door. Wrapped in makeup and a cloud of perfume reserved for the sleaziest Tinsel Brothers party. No, that voice. Not a contralto, the contralto. Thick, rough. Like Gorgonzola picante slapped on a mozzarella platter.
Monsieur Jacques?
Monsieur.
Bonjour, Monsieur Jacques.
No, that's down the hall.
Bonjour. 'Tis like hello, only en français.
Lady, I am too tired, too hungry, and way too sober for this. Why don't we cut to the chase?
Come.
Oh, you're no fun, Mr. Pepper. Tisk. I have a job for you.
I don't need any more headaches right now, so if you don't mind...
Nonsense. You're drowning in debt, picking up small fries and petty cases. What you need is a big one. And this, Mr. Pepper, is the big one.
Well, go on then. What's the deal?
It's about my friend. She's... dead. They killed her, Jack. Murdered her.
They? Well, sounds like you already know who they are, so where do I fit in?
Please, Mr. Pepper, it's a figure of speech. My friend, Betty Lynch. She was an actress. Beautiful, talented, vibrant. A radiant star destined to bask in the limelight. Until some vile hand snuffed out that shining star. Just like that. The curtains closed on her forever, Mr. Pepper.
That's all very... theatrical.
Force of habit, I guess. I did a few movies myself back in the day. But that doesn't matter to me anymore. Betty does. She was a close friend. And they, the whole poisonous industry, killed her.
Quite an accusation, lady. Talk on the street is this was an accident.
I told you it was big. The biggest. So please, take the case, Mr. Pepper. Start snooping around the film studios on Tinsel Avenue. You'll find answers there, I'm sure of it. And trust me, I pay good for the right intel.
All right, I'll take the case. But I don't come cheap, Mrs. Or is it Ms.?
Ms. McCarthy. Vivian McCarthy. Thank you, Mr. Pepper. I'll be waiting.
Jack! Over here, sport!
How's life treating you, Corny?
Oh, you know, speeches, rallies. It's tiring work, but important nonetheless. But I'm more interested in your thoughts on the case. Did you learn anything about those poor missing shrews?
I did for a change. They were taken down into the sewers, ferried away by a bunch of cheese-leggers.
That's horrid. So, did you find them? Returned safely to their homes, I take it?
Truth be told, I'm hitting the wall here. Gotta think this through, double-check my findings, maybe poke around other cases until something clicks.
I see. I see. Well, I'm sure you'll bounce back in no time. Let me know if you have a stroke of genius, sport.
If I have a stroke, Cornelius, I'm calling the doctor, not you.
Yes. Yeah, see you around, Jack.
E você é uma missão. Opa, tem.
Fancy a good flick, Jack?
Depends. Why do you ask?
I need your help with a little showbiz matter. If you could take a moment out of your busy schedule.
I'm all ears.
A few days ago, I dropped by Tinsel Avenue. Did some interviews on a family show set. See, I was expecting a reply letter from a promising young screenwriter. But so far, nothing. Not even a scrap of paper. Now I'm starting to wonder what happened over there.
And what's in it for me?
The joy of giving? My eternal gratitude?
Unfortunately, gratitude won't cover my bets at the roach races, Wanda.
You're a cold, cold mouse, Jack. Just find my screenwriter. Or a letter,
Okay.
a note, anything, really. You'll get your compensation.
Ok.
How come you always got time to hang out? I know a thing or two about loose screws, but you're a whole damn junk drawer. Damn, gotta whip up a new retro kablama. This Spike D crap breaks like it's on a schedule.
Ele tá dando tamanho de peito de munição. Medida de inspeção. Queria rezar, dispara rapidamente vários projetos, mas acabou metendo a inspeção. Ah, pegação para diminuir com isso. Ah, tá. Tem uma mirinha, ó. Bora. Bora, papai. Ir lá pra cima. Mas deixa eu voltar aqui no esgoto. Ou eu não posso mais? Não posso mais não, ó. Foi seco. Triste, triste e lamentável.
Ah, Tinsel Avenue. Glitz, glamour, and now murder looking to steal the spotlight.
Ah, entendi. Foi uma loucura.
Hell, you're supposed to shoot movies, not visitors.
Vi. Fornecedor. Fique de boa. Fique de boa. Pronto.
Well, well, well.
tiradão, velho. Uhum.
Mobsters, of course. Joe gotta launder money somewhere.
A toeira. Meu Deus do céu, são uns trocadilhos ruins de cara. Eu nem lê esse. Sangue de Cristo. Ok. Vai pra aí. Get to hang from the hole. Calma. Se acalme. Isso. Ah, você queria descer a tiro. É muito boa essa arma. Ele quebra? Quebra-se. personagem meio merda, né? Não? Tem a grama.
This whole thing feels like a movie.
Errei muito! Meu Deus! Puta!
Action! With grit in his gut and a case on his mind, our PI steps into the darkest alleys of the city. But what awaits him in the shadows?
Dumb wise guys and fake cheese wheels. I get that it's not open house day, but would a little hospitality kill you?
Um trampolim, deixa eu ter lá, nem usei. Onde aqui? Aqui. Ah, tá. Tem que ir para outro lugar. Custa olhar, né?
Did that hurt? Had to hurt. But our hero's still on his feet. No second take needed.
Okay.
I've had breakfast that did more damage.
Cadê? Resolvido. Dinheiro.
Ah, yes, artists. Turning caffeine and panic attacks into someone else's success.
Ok. Bem fechada. Só para dar uma perspectiva.
Be free, little birds. Just don't come back.
Boa. Funciona. Ammunition. Aqui.
Oh, the stance, the grit. You ought to swing by sometime.
Ah, tá vendo já.
Oh, damn. You up for casting too?
Todo mundo gosta de fumar nessa merda.
Hey, you there. The name Betty Lynch ring any bells?
Yeah, of course, but, was that gunfire just now? Like right outside?
Relax. They're just shooting a crime picture. Now about Betty. Where do I start looking?
Oh, I'm not sure. After, you know, they cleared out her trailer and moved her stuff, she kind of disappeared. But I know a gal who knew Betty, you know, a pyrotechnist back from the Seekers of the Holy Bree. She's on set today, so maybe it's worth a shot.
Ok.
A shot I don't have to dodge for a change.
Caçapete. Calma. Tá muito nervoso. Se acalme. Tô vendo a necessidade dessa agitação. Vamos você também. Achei um espaço ali, mas eu não tenho
Oh
acesso.
no! Our hero might be walking straight into a trap.
You call it a trap. I call it an all-inclusive adventure.
Se acalmem. Point. Olha. Tá. Não vou agora não. Oxi. Já morreu cagando. Com as edições do Mouseburg Herald. Esta edição anuncia o lançamento de O Spectre Wensleydale. Um sucesso de vendas de arrepiar, escrito por um dos romancistas mais famosos da Podescrelândia. Podescrelândia. Vai tomar no cu. Narrativa é uma mistura de becos escuros, sequestros sinistros e poeiros abertos ameaçadores. Podescrelândia, vai te foder, meu. Ai! Surupinha, olha, fazendo as broderagens, né? Essa galera, broderagem tá foda, olha.
No trace of Wanda's friend, but people always leave something. Fingerprints, keepsakes, regrets.
Calma. Se acalma. Pegou? Não tá, então. Point.
So serene, so peaceful. You could start a love story here. Maybe even a happily ever after.
No honeymooners today.
Se acalme. Ai!
Well, Wanda, this is as good as it gets. Must have been a hell of a party.
E ali, né? Mas... não vai. Não tô entendendo. Destacado, mas não posso pegar.
Wait, what? We're actually paying them? All right, everyone. 5
Isso é
minute break.
gancho.
Rocky stuck. Again.
Eu acho que ali era uma alta habilidade.
Frickin' topsy-turvy spinning world. It burns.
Is that the pyrotechnist?
Na sua, você fica... Olha! Vocês fiquem na sua. Vocês...
What the? Ah, it was you. Get over here, buddy.
Já vou aí, amigo, já vou. Deixa eu entender o que é o que aqui. Oi?
Thanks, man. You're a lifesaver. And hey, from one action hero to another, you've got some real Tomb Raider chops yourself, man.
Yeah. I'm looking for a pyrotechnist. Do you have...
Yeah, well, I can't think straight right now. We've been running this scene forever, and I got ulcers, so I, took some, medication, a lot of it, and, now I really can't make that next jump.
Yeah, but the pyro... Wait. What kind of medication does that?
It's just some Spike D pills. Don't stress it. The real issue is, you gotta do this scene for me.
Okay.
And to pull it off, you gotta master an ancient technique of the tail whip.
Oh, what now?
Basic adventurer stuff. Why am I even explaining this? So, climb up there, pull the lever, swing over the gaps midair, grab the last golden idols, put them back on...
What?
Just roll, all right?
Mais uma. Suna. Ah, entendi. No RB.
You've got the moves, kid. Quite the Tomb Raider indeed.
Ah, já coloquei. É que eu tenho que ir no altar? Ou não, tem que apertar aqui no...
Ah, crap.
Ai! A bola!
Well, that got me somewhere.
Calma. Calma. Tem que voltar. Lá atrás tem uma área de gancho. Ah, tá. Posso fazer alguma animação. Tá bom. Deixa eu voltar. Ah tá, você fez a rodear. Se acalmem. Ora, porra. Pirotécnica.
You the, pyrotechnist?
It's me, all right. The best of the best. Need something to go boom? You came to the right gal.
As much as I enjoy blasting. No, not today. I need info on a Betty Lynch.
Betty? Yeah, I knew her all right. Oh, real shame what happened. Good gal, fiery, like a pint-sized TNT crate. Oh, and sweet, too. Always brought me sparkling water. Spike D, top of the line.
Did you notice anything off about her before she died? Maybe acting strange, or meeting with the wrong kind of people?
Man, my man, this is Tinsel Avenue. That's like asking if a cheese with holes has holes in it.
Let's just focus on the holes in her store.
Well, Betty was a little quirky, but yeah. Now that I think of it, she met with some guy pretty often. All low profile. Never left a trailer when he was around. Real fancy schmancy suit type. You know how they are. Can't resist a rising starlet.
I hear her trailer's gone.
Oh yeah. They packed up her stuff, shoved it into one of the generic dressing rooms. Standard practice when someone checks out.
Oh? Where is it?
Just past the medieval set. Can't miss it. I made sure of that. So, you need any explosions? Dynamite? Maybe extra dynamite, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Tick, tick, boom!
Salvar aqui. Pega uma
The hero
armadura.
moves to a new scene. Fresh challenges, as ancient as these moss-covered stone walls.
Ancient. It's just a few plywood boards slathered in processed cheese.
Maravilha. Calma. Climatizando esse aí deu, acabou. Acabou.
Your line's up next. So tell us, hero, what is best in life?
To grate some parm, watch the cheese melt, and hear the joyful squeaks of my dinner guests.
Final take. A great photo emerges. What do we say now,
Ah lá.
hero?
Not today.
Vem pegar dentro. Tá safado? Mais uma nesse. Pena. Entendeu que eu gosto. Lindo. Olha.
You ever think about a career change? You wear that piece like it's made for you.
Ele fala gemendo. Você subindo. Salvar aqui. É o que tem aqui. Tem nada. Vamos acelerar. Ih, dói, é? Não sabendo, não. maio.
Still standing, but the gauntlet thickens. Action!
I drink cold fondue for breakfast. Nothing new for a trench vet.
É. Sony fora de hora, não. Me ajude, me ajude, me ajude.
Well, this must be the place.
Chave, porta dos fundos. Vai procurar pistas. Betty Lynch com Milford Sawyer. Casa do prefeito, bilhete com um cheiro horroroso de perfume está presa.
Now that's a clue. A big mouse party meeting, and standing right next to Betty, the mayoral candidate, Milford, what's his name? High stakes games, high rolling friends. But the higher you climb, the harder you fall.
E aqui escondido. Ah, não, aqui ele tá. Vasofone. Passei!
Oh, finally ditched that tinsel stench. Now it's time for a quick word with Vivian.
Ok, vamos lá. Vivian. E Wanda.
About that screenwriter.
Yes?
No sign of her, regrettably, just a cheese-smeared letter.
I hope you didn't go to absurd lengths to get it.
No, it was a short stroll.
Oh, well, thank you. It might not seem like much, but it means a lot to me.
Tell me, Corny, why do we always meet in these seedy places?
Screw you, Pepper. This is a well-respected establishment.
Yeah, real high class. So?
Well, my dear boy, you've got to understand, I'm a public figure. Always in the spotlight, right?
That you are.
So, friends are friends, but business.
Business.
So what you're really saying is, you're ashamed of being friends with a bottom-shelf private dick.
Well, I wouldn't put it quite like that.
But you just did.
Oh, come on. You know how these things work. What keeps the wheels turning.
Sure, money. But it should be backbone.
So,
Monsieur
Monsieur
Pepe.
Pepe, have you found out anything about my poor late friend?
You already got plenty of charm. Why bury it under that, accent?
Oh, damn, I forgot. All right, Mr. Pepper. Tell me, did you find anything at Tinsel's? Do you know who killed Betty?
Not yet. But it seems she was quite the socialite. She was getting rather close with that, what's-his-face? You know, the one running for mayor.
Oh, Sawyer?
Bingo. She most likely got to Sawyer through that dandy spokesman for their party. Name's Curd, I believe.
Oh, Miles Curd. Yes, of course. Oh, the parties we threw. Ooh, such lavish affairs. So, Mr. Pepper,
Gemendo são crânio.
how do you plan to get close to Sawyer? He's probably less approachable by men, shall we say? Particularly men in trench coats who ask a lot of...
That may be. I need to think this through.
Well, if I may, if Sawyer's unreachable, why not Miles Curd?
Not really, he's a mouse too. But I get your point.
Good. Mr. Pepper, I believe your best bet is to go and catch Miles. From what I gather, he's either throwing another party or cleaning up the mess at the Opera House.
Oh, someone made a mess at the opera. That's, truly barbarous. Well, I'll be on my way. Now that I think about it, Sawyer's note to Betty was real specific. Stupidly specific. Time to run it up the flagpole and see who salutes.
Justo. Mas eu vou parar por aqui. Que tá bom demais. Então, pra vocês, um beijo, valeu, falou!